How to find most recent posts on Facebook. Now, let's say you want to be more inclined with other people and you want to get to know them or interact with people that you're friends with or the groups that you belong to. You want to find the most recent post that they have on Facebook. All you have to do is to tap on these three lines on the upper corner right here and then scroll down until you find feeds right here. So you just have to click on that and you are given every content or every post that they have at the recent time. So if you scroll it down or refresh it, you'll be able to see every new post, the recent post your friends and the groups that you're in has posted. Now, in order for you to cater it or filter it only to your friends, all you have to do is to tap on friends right here. Or if you want to cater it or filter it only to your groups, you just have to tap on groups right here. You can also add favorites right here and you'll be able to see every recent post that they have on Facebook. So that's how to find most recent posts on Facebook. Hope we help.